Hi there, this is Ace Guzman, and I want to thank you so much for stopping by this video today. If it's your first time here, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Smash that subscribe button so you'll miss a beat when we go live and we upload new content just like this for you. On today's video, I'm going to give and reveal the secret number 5 from Copywriting Secrets from the book that I've been reading, okay? And you guys have been on this journey with me through this series from 1 through 5. Now we are on the Copywriting Secrets, Revealed Secrets, Lips Unsealed with number 5. So the 5th secret, let me look at my notes here. The 5th secret, okay, is the most valuable skill set ever you will learn is writing great copy. It's copywriting. It is the greatest skill set to learn, especially when you are marketing products and services online as an online marketer, okay? And you have to understand when you have a business, okay, people are going to gravitate and read through your messaging. And if that message is not written in a way that it gets them to do or take some kind of specific action, like I said before in the other video about the secrets that were revealed about Copywriting Secrets, okay, that what is copywriting, go back to video number 1 if you don't remember, okay, because I'm not going to tell you and go backwards on that one, but you find out for yourself, right? The thing is, people will gravitate to the message if it matches what they're looking for as far as a solution to their problem, right? So here are my takeaways that I have written down right here in my notes, okay, when it comes to the book, okay? So secret number 5 goes in greater detail about if you want to get good at copy, you got to follow 3 specific things. Number 1 is to make a commitment, okay? It's going to take commitment. There is no reading the book, go find, old Dan Kennedy books and Frank Kern books and go read those books. And then in one day, you're a master copywriter. It does not work like that. You literally have to do copywriting even when you don't feel like it, okay? That means it takes a commitment, right? It's like getting in a relationship. You have to take a commitment. So you got to be committed to the process because it's going to be a learning curve, right? Not every single piece of copy you're going to create is going to convert into a specific action, right? I learned from this from the past. When I created emails, I didn't get a click right away. I didn't get an open right away. It took some time to actually practice some headlines and took some time to actually write out, specific types of email copywriting that people gravitated to until they found and got familiar with my voice inside my email. So if you're not on my list, make sure you do get on my list. You'll see my emails as they're evolving since I've been reading this book. Now, the other thing is practice. Practice. And I'm not talking about practice makes perfect. No, that's not what Jim Edwards is talking about. He's talking about putting practice day in and day out as you build your online marketing skill set, which is copywriting. You got to be practicing all the time. All the time be practicing. That means writing stuff on your own, creating for others. However you're going to do it, just keep practicing. The third thing is do it every day, even when you don't feel like it. Like I said before, there are times where I have to get like a broadcast out or an email and I don't feel like writing for the day. Like I am like super duper tired. Like right now it's 8:42 p.m. I'm close to my hard stop time and I need to get this video out today, right? And I'm as tired as I am, but you know what? I still got to create my copy. My emails are done. My email is done, which is great. But you see, I got to be committed. I got to be consistent and I got to do and write even if I don't feel like it. Okay, so make sure you understand that when you get involved in this industry, that when you learn this specific skill set, you got to do it even when you don't feel like it. Okay, that's a mindset thing. You got to understand that. The other thing is pay attention to what sales copy made you buy something now or in the past. This was huge for me. How many times can you think about that you stumbled upon a website and you bought a pair of shoes, right? Something about them shoes, girl, got you buying them, right? Or talking to the guys, right? Maybe you went and you saw those Jordans, but something about that, specific brand, okay, with Jordans spoke to you and said, I got to get the sneakers, right? That's the thing. You got to understand. If it made you buy, obviously they were doing something right. And that's some good ass sales copy, okay? It's some good sales copy. If it made you buy, it made you take out your wallet, okay, it made you buy, then you know there's some good sales copy right there. So this is good for us as marketers because we don't think about, after we make a purchase and we go to the opt-in and then we go through the process and then we check out at the page, we don't think about, well, maybe I should save this page and use it for market research. So that way, one day when I do my own sales copy, I could model after this and put it in my own words and kind of do it this way to learn how I can get this to, work for me, right? So here's some specific places that I took some notes, okay? Think about all the funnels you went through in the past. If it made you buy, go back to some of them. If you have saved some of the pages, I know I keep a swipe file of all my stuff saved. So that way I have to go back to it and go look for it again. Video sales letters. How many VSLs have you gone through? I bet you've been through a lot. Okay, if you're a marketer and you're an internet marketer right now, you went through a lot of VSLs. Well, think about them VSLs that made you buy those courses. Yeah, okay. You need to go back to some of those and actually look at the headlines and look at some of the copy in front of the video and actually be like, that's some good stuff. I'm going to keep some of that, write that down in my book, right? Because you got to try it, you got to test it, right? A Facebook Live. What made you click on that thumbnail or video that made you want to watch it, right? On Facebook. Some Facebook Live videos don't have best thumbnails. Okay, they just usually have freeze frames, but you see people getting ready to go on live, and it's just something about it that makes you want to click. Email, right? Think about the subject lines. Oh my gosh, my inbox has like over 24,000 emails, and most of the stuff is promotional, I know, but a lot of the stuff is from like different types of marketers that I study, and some of my favorites, they actually have like great sales copy. I can tell you one. I'll give you guys one, because I love about giving value. And I tell you this, Ben Settle, great one. Ben Settle's got some great subject lines. I mean, he might have to kill you if you steal them. Just kidding. You have to go to opt into Ben Settle, go to one of his offers or website. Don't buy anything. Whatever you don't buy anything, just study. If you're here and you're learning from this video about copywriting, I'm going to tell you, Ben Settle is one person you definitely want to learn from because he's great at it. And there's something of how he phrases the words in the subject line, And another thing I know about him in his style, because every copywriter has their own signature style. He doesn't use emojis in his subject line. That's something to consider. So if you're using emojis in your subject line, try to do a split test. See if the headline works with it or without it, because I know from my experience, they don't make a difference, but some people's lists are different, right? Everybody's list is not the same. So if you're using emojis in your subject line because you see someone else doing it, don't be so quick to using emojis. Test it first to see if it works. So keep copy of the emails, right? Keep it like swipe file for all the emails. Okay, moving along. Now, another takeaway is in order for you to be great, you got to become great at creating headlines, become first good at writing bullets, and get really good at calls to action, explaining and framing the offer. This is a real big one for me because when I learned about headlines, I didn't realize that headlines can actually come from actual bullets. Like, you know what I mean by bullets. If you don't know what I mean, bullets are like, when you create like a specific piece of content and you have one topic and then you kind of break it down into like most important main ideas, right? The main point. So you put these little bullets down, right? Down the page. So if you're getting good at bullets, some of those bullets could be great headlines if you think about it, right? So this is good stuff. So I like that. So in summary, just what I told you, make a commitment, keep practicing and, do it every day, even when you don't feel like it, right? And somebody asked me, they said, Ace, I want to ask, you and Rich something. How often should I be actually writing emails to my list if I want to get good at sales copy? Every day. How often do you want to make money? Every day, right? So you need to be writing to your list every single day, even when you don't feel like it. Listen, that's why you have to learn online marketing. You have to learn about the skill set of writing copy and also get a good practice in. And you got to have a size list. Don't just sit there with just 200 leads on your subscriber base. No, you need more than that. You got to get some practice in because you're not going to see any real numbers or percentages if you got a small list. You need some more people than 200, right? You need like 1,000 to 10,000 leads on your list to really get some good numbers. Just a good range, about 1,000 to 10,000, right? The sweet spot is 10,000 to me. But other than that, that's about it. That's the fifth secret right there. What is the skill set that's the most valuable? Copywriting. So thank you so much for stopping by this video today. My name is Ace Guzman. Be sure to click below this video. There's a link there for information about our #1 recommended program. And on top of that, make sure if you haven't yet already, grab your copy of Jim Edwards' Copywriting Secrets book. It's essential for you to have this book. I mean, we got all kinds of books we recommend and buy and stuff, but when you get a book, read the damn book and literally apply yourself like I have been, and take notes. Take notes because notes are important for you to retain the information. But most importantly, you also got to share that information. And that's what I'm doing here with you. So thank you so much. Don't forget to smash that notification bell, boom, and let us know what we can do to help you have some great results in your online business if you're embarking on the journey of internet marketing and affiliate marketing. My name is Ace Guzman. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.